So consider this as an example of digital subtracting how it will be taken place. So here first is 0 minus 1. We can't subtract. Actually this is minus subtraction. So we can't subtract 1 from 0. So then what to do? Borrow is here, and now this, after giving the borrow to the successive number, and it becomes 0. Then this becomes 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. And again it's becomes, since it becomes 0, then it has to take the borrow from this. It cannot take from the 0. Again it cannot take from the 0. And it able to give the borrow to the consequent number. So this becomes, once it supplied borrow to this, this becomes 0. Now this becomes 2, means 1 plus 1 0. 1 plus 1 is 2. That means 1 plus 1 is, sum is 0, carry is 1. Now once after giving 1 to the 0, this becomes only 1. That means now this becomes 1. And again this becomes 1 plus 1. 1 is supplied to this number as a borrow, then again this becomes 1. That means this becomes, now it is modified like this. So it is modified like this. Now this becomes 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, next is 1 minus 1 0. 1 minus 1 0. Again there is a problem. That means 0, we cannot take it, subtract. Again this unable to supply borrow to this, so it has to come from this only. So means this becomes 0 after giving 1 as a, this becomes 0, this becomes 2. That means 1 plus 1. So 1 is supplied as a borrow, then this becomes losing that value, and it becomes 1. Now this becomes 2. So this becomes 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, and this is 0. So this is the final answer of the subtracting. Now this can be solved in another way by using 1's complement. 1's complement subtraction. So here the answer is 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 is the value, and the second value is like this. So while doing 1's complement subtraction method, we need to fill the all are should be same magnitudes or same digits. So we need to fill it as 0. Even though 0 is added, this value is not changed. That's why we can insert 0 and go for apply 1's complement of this number. 1's complement of the 0, 1 becomes 0. 1's complement of this number 0 0 0 0 0 0, and this becomes 1. And then add this number. That means 1 0 1 0 0 1 0, and add 0 1 0 0 plus 0 0 0 plus 1 1 0 plus 0 0, and this plus 1 plus 1 is 0 is the sum, and carry is the 1. So in this is a carry. So this is the 1's complement. What to do if the carry comes in 1's complement? That should be added to the, now added to this 1 1 0 0 1 0 0. So this is the final answer by using 1's complement method. So in the same way, it's a 2's complement. Now the next task is the same method. For the same problem, we are using 2's complement method. Let us see what will happen. So here the original problem is 1 0 1 0 0 1 0. and 1. So 2's complement. So 2's complement means we need to fill it 0, and for it apply 2's complement of that. 2's complement of this bottom number, that means 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 plus 1 is added. 1 0 0 0 0 0 is the 2's complement of this number, and to which add this number. Add means 1 0 1 0 0 1 0. So 1 1 0 0 1 0, this is 0 and 1, this is the carry. In the 2's complement, if the carry comes means we can discard the number, that means we can discard it, discard, keep away. So this is the final answer. So we have finished the same problem in 3 different ways: simple ordinary way, and 1's complement and the 2's complement. But anyhow, the final answer is the same for all methods. This is how we can do the subtraction in digital fundamentals, through digital fundamentals.